Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Bmw E46 cluster. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and letting the car sit to avoid electrical issues. I'll walk you through removing trim bezels, undoing the 3 cluster screws, and gently sliding the unit forward. You'll learn how to disconnect the gauge harness safely and check connectors for corrosion so you can reinstall or replace the cluster with confidence. I'll explain removing the dash trim without damaging clips or paint, and I'll keep it simple. Use a plastic trim tool and patient prying to release the bezel clips, then locate and remove the hidden screws that hold the cluster. Keep each fastener organized and note their positions so reassembly is quick. This step sets up a clean removal and helps prevent rattles after reinstalling the cluster. I'll help you remove the cluster safely by focusing on the screws and connectors next. After loosening the 3 screws, pull the cluster forward about 3 inches to access the wiring harnesses. Depress each connector tab while supporting the cluster so it doesn't drop. Inspect connector pins for corrosion and clean if needed. Keep the cluster face protected to avoid scratches while you work on diagnostics or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.